Ever struggled with changing the display language on your PAR 41MAA remote controller? Today I show you a quick and easy way to navigate through this often confusing process. Press the menu button and go to Initial Setting, select Change the password to 4 zeros, select from the first screen, select the second row. From this second screen, select the fourth row. Now you can move the cursor to the desired language. Please note the English is in the upper left corner of screen 1 of 2. When you finish, press Select to save and go back to the main display. If you have any question, leave me a comment below. Have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye.